The previous generation bundle includes Xbox One S 1TB console, Xbox wireless controller, full game download of Gears 5, full game downloads of Gears of War, Ultimate Edition and Gears of War 2, 3, and 4, a 1-month Xbox Game Pass trial, and 1 month of Xbox Live Gold. If purchased through Xbox All Access, enjoy low monthly payments for 24 months, no upfront cost, access to over 100 high-quality games and online multiplayer. Plus console upgrade option. Campaign. Follow Kait Diaz on a journey to discover her family connection to the enemy and the true danger to Sera, herself. Escape. Outrun the bomb, outsmart the swarm, escape the hive. Versus. 11 game modes, new maps and rewards for everyone. Horde. Conquer the Horde by building defenses, collecting power, leveling up your skills and working as a team. Top reviews from the United States. Well worth it. I've had an original Xbox One since about 2015, it didn't have storage, it was slow, whatever. I finally decided to upgrade and this was so worth the money. I'm beyond happy with my purchase. Trust me when I say this is an all-around great console.